sorry. How big is Havelock?
Havelock.
Havelock
is a small area.
नहीं, एक कोने से दूसरा कोना जाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा?
आप अगर स्कूटी लेंगे ना,
हाँ,
तो आपको 1 hour लगेगा.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Good morning, Vyshak. Okay, here we are. I'm glad I'm starting with such a place. Finally. Is it audible at all with the case? Like
very loud.
only then will the voice go in.
Otherwise, you will get a reference that what we are saying. That's all.
Okay, got it. And it does work, no? The water case.
This is the first time you use it.
Yeah, first time.
Okay. So, we'll do one thing. You can keep your fins and mask here now. We will use that later.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna swim.
Okay.
Okay, just for swimming.
Yes.
You can keep it.
Okay. It's not even that extreme cold, so it's good.
Yeah. But if you spend 1 hour or 2 hours in the water, then you will feel that.
Yes, let's go.
Ready? So we can go to that white boy and
Yes.
see that. I think it's, no, not the white, the yellow one last.
Yes.
Okay. We'll go to there and we'll come back.
Swim, right?
Yeah, approximately 200 meters.
Okay.
Cool.
Yes. The yellow thing.
The after the last yellow thing.
The last yellow thing.
The group of yellow thing.
Got it. I'll just follow you.
Cool. Okay.
Let's
if
do
you
this.
wanna go forward, you can go.
Okay.
You can finish with it sometime. Because I will be just chilling and
Okay.
following you with the life jacket.
Got it.
Okay, life boy.
Yes.
If you need those, I'll come and give you.
Okay.
Cool?
Yes.
Ready?
Let's do this. First 200 meter swim done. So day one of training included a lot of fun, a lot of activities. I did a 200 meter swim, 400 meters to 200 to and fro, and I did snorkeling for about 10 minutes. Yeah, I floated in the water for around 10 to 15 minutes, and I was just being tested for my water skills, and it went well. I am eligible for an 18-meter open water dive. So yeah, that's what the first bit of the training included. It went on for about 1.5 hours. Now I'll be headed towards breakfast, and then again going to meet Vyshak for a little more theory and continue with the training session then. Woohoo!
First of all, how to wear the fins. How to wear the fins.
Thank you. Oh, that was heavy.
So after the dive, you should keep the equipment like this.
So, but
Otherwise, it will.
is everybody able to do as much as I did, or did I do better than everyone else that you trained?
No, actually, in my experience, you are doing better.
I'm doing better.
Yeah, I've got like many students that was.
So you have to teach them a lot more basics. Actually, what is helping me that I've done it before a little bit, no?
Actually, the thing that I really like that the buoyancy thing.
Huh.
That I think you saw that.
Yeah, glad. You were happy.
Like, I was really happy that you managed that the first time you were going underwater with me, it was first time, and you just inflated yourself, not too much and not too less. You're inflated and you managed your buoyancy. That was quite impressive.
I'm glad you're happy. These are called mud skippers. They can survive on water and on the shore. That's Vyshak and another instructor.